Hi everyone, Luke from Paycove back with you again. In our video about customizing your template, I talked about how to display specific data from your CRM on quotes and invoices with Paycove's template variables. But what if this data isn't supported by Paycove? In your CRM, you are able to create custom fields to display in Paycove. In this video today, I'll be discussing how to add these custom fields to your quotes and invoices. If you need a reminder on customizing your template, visit Paycove on YouTube to watch our video demonstration. Now to get started creating your custom field, open your CRM. I'll mostly be using Pipedrive in this video, but I will also quickly show where to create the custom field in HubSpot as well. Once you're in Pipedrive, go to your settings and go to Customize Fields. In HubSpot, you'd also go to your settings, but here your custom fields are called Properties. Switching back to Pipedrive now, you'll see you can create a custom field for your deals, organizations, people, and products. Let's say, for instance, I wanted to create a custom field for the contact's preferred name. To do this, I would go to People and then Add People field. You'll see here that Pipedrive gives you a number of different options to choose which kind of field you'd like to create. HubSpot will offer many similar options when you click on Create a Property. For this example, I'm going to choose to add a text field. I'll call this new custom field Preferred Name and click Save. Once the field is added to this list, I can now go to Contacts and open a specific person. If I go to edit their details, the new field should now show up for me to enter in new information. Don't forget to save your changes. Now once I go back to Paycove, I'll sync my CRM data to pull in this new information. Once complete, you can visit Custom Fields under Settings to see a list of all your available fields. Scrolling down, you should find the new custom field that you've created. To test out this new field, I'll go to any deal that has the same contact as the one I've just edited in Pipedrive. Click Edit on the section you want the new data to generate and open up your template variables. If you don't see your new field, try syncing your CRM data from here. Since I can see the custom field for contact's preferred name, I'll go ahead and copy and paste the new line into customer details. You can see once I click Save, the data has been pulled successfully from the CRM. That's all I have for now, but if you're interested in learning more about Paycove, check out our FAQ page from our Help Center or visit our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.